Ready to make your money work for you? Let's dive into 7 ways to start investing in Nigeria in 2025. 1. Mutual funds. This is the baby step into investing. Low risk, steady growth. Just put your money and let the pros do the work. 1. Bonds. Government or corporate bonds give you guaranteed returns. It's like borrowing them money, and they pay you interest. Secure and predictable. 1. Stocks. Own a piece of big companies like Dangote, or even Amazon. Nigerian or international stocks are where the big moves happen. 1. ETFs and REITs. Want diversity without too much risk? ETFs are like a basket of stocks and REITs are all about real estate investments. Cool, right? 1. Real estate. Buy land, rent houses, or even flip properties. Real estate is how you build generational wealth in Nigeria. 1. Start a business. Got a great idea? Fund it or invest in someone's business. Entrepreneurship is a game changer. 1. Crypto high risk but potentially high reward. Tread carefully, but it's worth exploring for the bold ones. Investing isn't just for the rich, it's for you. Start small, be consistent, and let your money work for you. 2025 is your year to grow. Hit the like button and let's make wealth together.